So, let me explain. Let me explain, please. Because I'm sure many of you would be a bit confused by the title of this video. And if you have watched the intro, I'm sure you already know the answer. But the number one reason why I'm not using any of these two drones lately, the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic Mini, is FPV. I think I might have a little obsession nowadays when it comes to flying FPV, and I genuinely don't mind at all. I actually love it. I just love it. If you have been following my FPV videos that I made for the past couple of weeks, then you probably know that I got the Titan DC-5 from iFlight. It's a pre-built drone that's ready to be used with the DJI FPV system. And I had some issues in the beginning. I had some vibrations, some stuttering when flying that drone, and I had to go through tons of different settings and tweaks and different solutions, but now I finally got it right. It flies just perfectly now, and I'm quite happy with how it flies. But then I had some issues with my camera. I was planning to use my Osmo Action, at least in the beginning, just so I can see how things are going to be. I experimented with different mounts and different settings and everything that you can imagine, but I had some really severe jello in my videos, and something that I definitely don't appreciate when it comes to creating cinematic footage is shakiness and things that are not completely smooth. So I had issues with that, and after trying a couple of different configurations, mounts and everything that you can imagine, I decided it's time to change, to switch things up, and I got myself a GoPro Hero 7 Black. I decided it's time to jump to GoPros, as everyone who is flying FPV and trying to record smooth looking footage is using a GoPro, so yeah, I had to do it as well. I know the GoPro Hero 6 Black is actually the optimal solution when it comes to using real steady for stabilizing your footage as much as possible, but the GoPro Hero 6 Black was not available in my country, or if it was available, it was even more expensive than the Hero 7 Black, so that's crazy. So I decided to go for the Hero 7 Black, and I still haven't used real steady, to be honest. The intro that you saw in today's video was entirely shot with hyper smooth stabilization from the GoPro Hero 7 Black, so that's quite impressive in my opinion. There is no jello, no shakiness, nothing has been done to the footage to be more stable, so that's exactly how it looks when it comes straight from the camera. And I'm quite happy with that. I will of course experiment with how this is going to work with real steady, but for now I'm quite happy with the results. And I'm quite happy with my drone as well. I am using every single minute that I have to fly with it, to try to become better, to learn some new things. And I think the best way to learn when it comes to flying FPV is just to practice a lot. And as you can see, if you have watched my previous videos, the place where I go is a huge field with little to no obstacles around. So of course it's not very interesting for you to watch me flying on an empty field, but for me it's great to practice low flying or maybe getting closer to some trees. But yeah, slowly but surely I am getting more comfortable with the drone and how it moves around, and I have some really epic places planned for this drone. Actually, I'm filming this Saturday on a bando, which looks absolutely epic. But I don't know how the footage is going to turn out, but if it turns out okay, I will of course post it to my channel soon. But yeah, I just wanted to upload a video explaining why I'm not uploading anything lately. And if I am uploading, it's not really 100% of my mind goes into that video, simply because I'm really obsessed with this little drone. And it's difficult to divide your attention to a couple of different drones. I know I have the Mavic Mini, which is really hot right now. Many people are requesting videos about the Mavic Mini, but it's just this timing right now is a bit wrong for me because I cannot focus on anything else but this FPV drone. It's just amazing. It's mind-blowingly amazing to fly FPV. So I don't know. But yeah, that doesn't mean I'm stopping with my regular content. I know I've said that before, and trust me, I'm not, because I know many of you are here on this channel because of my regular DJI drones content that I make. So of course I'm not going to let you down. I'll keep uploading videos on regular drones as well. As a matter of fact, I have a few videos planned, but I just can't make myself record them because I'm enjoying this so much. So I hope you understand. I hope you like this FPV content that is coming to the channel, and I hope you like that intro because I really had a blast recording and then editing this footage. It's just so different. But yeah, let me know if you're interested in anything specific about this build, about my FPV gear, about what I use in my backpack, what I bring in my backpack when I fly, or anything else that you might be interested in. Please let me know and I'll make a video giving you all that information. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this little update video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more FPV videos and also regular drone videos as well, tips, tutorials, anything. Of course, you know what I do. If you don't know, browse the channel and you'll find out. But thank you so much for watching. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.